2009 Toyota Camry and inside 2.4. How to replace radio, AC control, air. When you turn on the AC, and the air cooler switch no work, you need to change the AC control and radio. First time you remove the window air, remove the knob, remove the cover, and remove the cover chip, pull it out, and remove the lip glove, and this bowl we took loose, and this bowl we remove. Controller, the fan, AC, window air, radar, and digital. And you put the connect, this one, here, one. Check to make sure. Work. And tightening this bowl, and tightening this bowl, and bottom bowl. You try. Good. Good. Thank you watching video. If you like, you put subscribe for me. Thank you. Next time I put new video.